Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a delivery on the Grubhub app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and schedule delivery, but you don't want your food now. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is find a restaurant. So let's take, for example, this restaurant here called Shake Shack. So if we click on the restaurant, on the middle left-hand side, click on schedule. This is where you can actually go ahead and schedule delivery. So you can organize it by date and the time, and then click on schedule order. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule delivery on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.